Welcome to Prajapati Educational Institute. Today we explore the remarkable journey of Barack Obama, the first African American President of the United States. From humble beginning to the White House, his story is one of hope, change, and perseverance. Stay with us to discover how he inspired a generation. Part 1, Early Life and Education. Barack Obama was born on August 1961 in Honolulu, Hawaii, in the United States. His full name is Barack Hussein Obama II. His father, Barack Obama Sr., was from Kenya and his mother, Ann Dunham, was from Kansas, USA. They met while studying at the University of Hawaii when Barack was just 2 years old. His parents separated and his father returned to Kenya. His mother later married Lolo Soetoro, an Indonesian man, and the family moved to Jakarta, Indonesia. Living in Indonesia was a different experience of young Barack. He saw poverty and different cultures and lived in a small house where sometimes there was no clean water. He studied at their local schools where he learned the Indonesian language, and he also saw how people lived differently than in America. After a few years, his mother sent him back to Hawaii to live with his grandparents so he could get a better education. Barack Obama went to Punahou School, a respected private school in Hawaii. He was one of the few African American students there. This made him feel different sometimes, but it also made him strong. He loved reading books, playing basketball, and learning about the world. He became interested in identity, justice, and fairness. After finishing high school in 1979, he moved to Los Angeles and studied for 2 years at Occidental College. Then he transferred to Columbia University in New York City, where he studied political science with a focus on international relations. After graduating in 1983, Barack Obama worked in New York for a few years at the company and also as a community organizer, helping people with low income. But Barack Obama wanted to make a real difference. So in 1985, he moved to Chicago to work with churches in poor neighborhoods. He helped people find jobs, improve schools, and solve housing problems. This experience deeply affected him. He saw that change was possible but needed leadership and education. In 1988, Barack Obama decided to study law. He got accepted in Harvard Law School, one of the best law schools in the world. There he became the first American president of Harvard Law Review, a very respected legal journal. This achievement brought him national attention. After law school, he returned to Chicago and worked as civil rights lawyer and also taught constitutional law at the University of Chicago. In 1992, Barack Obama married Michelle Robinson, a smart and strong woman he had met while working at a law firm. They had 2 daughters, Malia and Sasha. Michelle supported Barack Obama through every step of his journey, and they became one of the most admired couples in America. Coming to the part 2, political rise and presidency. Barack Obama's journey into politics started in 1996 when he was elected to the Illinois State Senate. As a state senator, he focused on helping working families, improving health care, and making laws fair for everyone. He became known for working with both Democrats and Republicans and getting things done. In 2004, he ran for US Senate, which meant representing the whole state of Illinois in Washington DC. During this campaign, he gave a famous speech at the Democratic National Convention. In that speech, he spoke about unity, hope, and the American dream. The speech made him a star across the country. Later that year, he won the election and became a United States Senator. As a US Senator, Barack Obama continued to focus on issues like healthcare, education, and foreign policy. He worked to improve government transparency and supported American soldiers. But he always believed that real change needed leadership from the top. So in 2007 he announced that he was running for president of United States. Many people were surprised. He was still new in national politics, but Barack Obama inspired people with his message of yes, we can. His campaign was full of hope and energy. He used the internet and social media in smart ways to connect with young people. He talked about unity, change, and giving power back to the people. In the 2008 presidential election, he ran against John McCain, a respected war veteran and senator. On November 4, 2008, Barack Obama made history by becoming the first African American president of United States. As president, Barack Obama faced big challenges. The country was in a major financial crisis, with banks failing and millions losing jobs. Obama acted quickly by passing the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act to save the economy and create jobs. He also helped save the American automobile industry. One of his biggest achievements was the Affordable Care Act, also called Obamacare. This law helped millions of Americans get health insurance who could not afford it before. It also protected people with pre-existing health problems from being denied coverage. In 2011, under Obama's leadership, American forces found and killed Osama bin Laden, the terrorist leader responsible for the 9/11 attacks. This movement brought relief and pride to many Americans. Barack Obama also focused on climate change, clean energy, and education. He supported LGBTQ plus rights and helped pass laws that made America more equal. In 2012, he was re-elected for a second term, defeating Mitt Romney. His second term had more challenges, including gun violence, racial tensions, and global terrorism. Still, Obama continued to push for unity and hope. He worked to improve relations with Cuba and signed the Paris Climate Agreement to fight global warming. Barack Obama was known for his calm, thoughtful style and powerful speeches. People admire how he stayed strong under pressure and represented America with grace on the global stage. Part 3: Life after Presidency and Legacy. On January 20, 2017, Barack Obama left the White House after serving 2 terms as president. He was succeeded by Donald Trump. Obama left with high approval ratings and was respected around the world. After his presidency, he chose not to disappear from public life. Instead, he continued to work on causes he believed in. Barack Obama and Michelle Obama started the Obama Foundation, which focuses on leadership development, global citizenship, education, and community building. On one of their biggest project is Obama Presidential Center in Chicago, which is being built as a museum and place for leadership training. Barack Obama also wrote a book called A Promised Land, where he shared his personal journey and what it was like to be president. The book became a bestseller. Michelle Obama also wrote her own book, Becoming, which inspired millions of readers worldwide. The Barack Obama signed deal to create films, documentaries, and series with platforms like Netflix, using storytelling to inspire and educate. They wanted to give a voice to people whose stories were often ignored. Even though he is no longer president, Barack Obama continues to speak out on important issues like voting rights, climate change, racial justice, and democracy. He encourages young people to believe in themselves and to take part in shaping their country's future. Barack Obama's legacy is powerful. He showed that someone from a simple background with a funny name and mixed race could rise to the highest office in the world. He gave hope to millions of people not just in America but all over the world. His leadership style calm, thoughtful, honest and inspiring won hearts everywhere. Critics say he could have done more in areas like immigrations, reform, or ending wars. But overall, he widely respected for reporting dignity to the offices, improving America's image in the world, and pushing for fairness and unity. Barack Obama will always be remembered as a symbol of hope, possibility, and change. He proved that American dreams is still alive and that one person's vision can move a nation forward. If this story like you, please hit like, share and subscribe button. For more extraordinary stories, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Coming to the next video.